Hello everyone, Darcy Fitzpatrick here, Independent Avon Representative. I'm here today to talk to you about joining Avon as a representative. And I want to tell you about some of the benefits that we have going on right now. Firstly though, if you have someone that you're working with and they're already providing Avon services to you, please contact them for the opportunity. I want to tell you about some of the benefits of joining Avon, or some of the reasons why you should join Avon first. First, you get paid to do what you love. You get paid to sell skincare and beauty and jewelry and fashion, things that make people happy. And we have award-winning products. We have K-Beauty, we have home care, we have mops and dishwashing soap and laundry soap. I can go on. We even have a new pet care line, which I think is going to be very popular. You work around your schedule. Nobody tells you when you have to do your Avon. You work when the kids are in school. You work when you have some free time. You work in the evening, whatever you want. You work it around your current job if you want. You get a free website, a free back office, and it's open 24/7. It has everything you need to enter orders, print invoices, keep records of people. It also includes your Avon U, which is something I wish we had when I started. It's our training center. Information about everything, trainings about everything. Any questions you have can most likely be answered there. And including products. If somebody calls and says, well, I'm not sure what this product does, we have what's called one-pagers that you can get from Avon U. It explains everything, including ingredients, what it does, what size it is, and anything they could want to know, and what the benefits are. So you could just tell them, I'll get right back to you. I just have to check something, and you get your one-pager, and then you either can send it to them, or you can read it to them, and just let them know what the product does. We have digital tools. We have a digital catalog that you can customize. We have try-on tools where if you're looking at like lipsticks or foundation and you're wondering how that will look on you, you can click on it and it will put the color on there that you want and you can get a good idea. It's very informative. We have great social media graphics. We have great social media groups that you can join that are very helpful. Odds are, if you are wondering about something, somebody else is too, and it's usually answered for you there. We have incentive trips. Right now, we're working on Hawaii. And you have until December to earn it, so it is very doable for a new representative to do. Also, when you join Avon and you place your first order over $60, you receive a $10 credit on your account. You receive 135 lip balms, which is a great calling card for new customers, giveaways, icebreakers. People love lip balms, and you'll get 135. And you'll also get a bottle of the Isinox Anew Ultimate Rejuvenating Serum, which is one of our, it's kind of newish, but it's fabulous. People love it. That's a great line. And you'll get that. We also have a virtual convention coming up where you'll hear great speakers, get great ideas, and there's also fun giveaways and other things going on, which is also a lot of fun. So now who sells Avon? We have people who are personal shoppers, which is when I signed up 26 and a half years ago, that was my intention because I had trouble keeping a rep. So I said, at least I'll get my orders every 2 weeks and maybe make a little discount and get it sent to my house. So that was my intention when I signed up. But of course, word of mouth got around and I wound up building a business. Or you can join just for pocket money. You can send your link. You can send brochures to your friends, family, co-workers, people you see every day. That's your warm market. And you would tap into them for this. And you'd make a little extra money. Or you can build a career. You can make your full-time business You can sell, you can use social media, you can use TikTok, Instagram. We do have, obviously some guidelines, but it's pretty good. And you can get your name out. And you can build a team if you want. You can help others do what you do. We also have a program for new representatives in their first 8 campaigns called Pathway to Premier, where they can earn bonuses. When you reach $5,000, you'll go into the next earning level, which is 30%. We call it Pathway to Premier because you get bonuses. The first one you get, we call the mini milestone. You get a bonus of $50 on your first 500 sales that campaign, plus 50 lip balms. These lip balms are great. Then we have the stepping stone bonuses, where you get a 20% bonus on $200 in sales. So if you have a $600 campaign, you get $60, and it's up to $500. Then there's another milestone bonus, 10% plus 100 lip balms for your first $1,000 in sales in your first 8 campaigns. This is a great time to join us because it's our busy season for Skin So Soft Bug Guard. People are starting to order them now and stock up for the summer. And then we're going to lead right into the holidays, another busy season. This is a great time to join Avon. I don't know if I left anything out, but please like this video and subscribe. Any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them for me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. The link to look at my website and or purchase products, the link to join will be in the description. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day.